good morning, everyone. This is C7, the HOA Homesteader. This morning I'm going to be inspecting my beehives, and I thought I'd bring you guys along with me. I have already been out in the garden just watering some plants and doing a little raking and picking up some debris around the yard. I still need to groom around a few of my plants because the grass is getting pretty tall around some of my trees and stuff. So with that said, guys, as far as beekeeping, like I said, that's what I'm gonna be doing today, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. So once I get everything set up, guys, I'll be right back. And I thank you guys in advance for visiting my channel. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit that like button, hit the notification bell, and leave comments. Hey, and also, if you really like it, share the videos with others. So and once I get everything set up like I just said, I'll be right back with you guys. All right, guys, I think I got everything ready, so let's get started. All right, this top super still empty. It's a 10 frame super. I chose to use 9 frames. There's a few bees in there, but it doesn't look like the frames are any more drawn out than when I put them in there. Some of them was semi drawn out, so they're still the same. But you can see it look like the bees are starting to come up to it. So I may have been premature putting this super on, but I went out of country for a while and I wanted to give them room if they needed it. So at this point, you know what the next one looked like, but I think I just gotta leave it. All right. Look at the bees, look at the bees. Okay, I just entered into the second box and starting to take a look around. Honey. Okay, the queen is laying up here also. Most of these frames are looking pretty good with honey. Some of them are got mixture of brewed honey and nectar. I'm gonna check about 2 or more of these, and I'm gonna go down into the bottom box. I use swifter sweeps, unscented, to catch small hive beetles. A lot of nectar on these two are pulled and no brood. Never really quite seen that before. This bottom box is mostly all nectar and some honey. The brood was in the middle box. So, I don't know, guys. Let me know what you think. What causes that? All right, that's it for the first hive. I can already see that this hive has way more bees in it than the other one. I might even take that super off of there and go 4 high. Yep, that's what I'm thinking. I'm going to say 4 boxes, but 3 supers high. I'm actually thinking I need to take that whole super, then put the other one on. That whole super is full of honey. I'm sure this second box, if it's got honey, and I'm sure it's still some honey in the bottom, that's going to be enough. And I can take this whole super and just replace it with that empty and let them fill that out. Look at that. Woo-woo. As I started going towards it, there wasn't any other frames full of honey like that one. It was like mixed with brood and honey. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add a queen excluder and another super. That's what I'm gonna do. Again, what I ended up doing was I took the super off of there, I put a queen excluder on, and put the super on top. They're really bringing in honey over there, so I'm gonna try that. And if for me to be able to maybe get honey out of it, I'm probably gonna have to be able to get honey out of like different boxes, or wait till they fill up that top box now that I have a queen excluder. We'll see what happens. All right, I'm gonna go on the patio and close out this video. See you then. Hey everybody, back on the patio, close out the video. As you've seen, I checked both hives. The second box, maybe not so thoroughly because it was just so many bees in there. I thought I was gonna get lucky when I pulled that first hive that first frame that was full of honey. I thought the following frames, at least 4 or 5, would probably be the same, but it kind of was like a mixture. It was more honey, but then it was still some brood on some of those frames. So, and it was just so stuck together, and it was getting a little bit more active as I was going through each frame. And I thought to myself, you know what, if they're bringing it in like that, why don't you just add the queen excluder and another super and see what they do. So that was the decision I made. So you more seasoned beekeepers who have found my channel, giving me advice, if you got anything to share with me about this, please do so. With that said, people, that's it for today. You guys have been with C7, the HOA Homesteader. And just because you may live in an HOA doesn't mean that you cannot grow food or take care of bees. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave comments, and hit the notification bell. And I'll see you when the next video is released.